Are you ready to say goodbye to your Airbnb listing and reclaim your time? First, navigate to the Airbnb website and log into your account using your email address and password. Next, click on your profile icon in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Switch to Hosting. This will take you to your hosting dashboard. If you have multiple listings, find the one you wish to remove and click on it. Once you're on the listing page, find and click on the Listing Details tab. This might also be labeled as your space or something similar depending on the latest Airbnb updates. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Listing Details page. You'll see a status section. Click on Deactivate. A pop-up window will appear asking why you want to deactivate. Select the most appropriate reason. Note: deactivating your listing doesn't permanently delete it. It simply hides it from search results. Now, look for an option that says something like Permanently Delete Listing. Click on that option. Be absolutely sure you want to do this, as it cannot be undone. Airbnb will present a final confirmation window, emphasizing that this action is permanent and irreversible. Read the warning carefully, and if you're certain, click the button to permanently delete your listing. And that's it. Your listing is now permanently removed from Airbnb. You've successfully completed the process, ensuring a clean break.